Saturday the 7th of February 2026 is Arsenal Stud Kildare. And tomorrow Liam and I will be here again tomorrow. We'll be back here again tomorrow because tomorrow Liam and I will be marking our 9th anniversary since we came to the stud. So 9 years tomorrow that Liam and I came to the stud. It's the 8th of February 2017. So 9 years tomorrow Liam and I will be at the stud. So we're coming in tomorrow to celebrate our big anniversary. Anyway, so we're going to the stallions now. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. I've probably seen him. These people are gone. The names are gone. Look.
Arizona Blaze.
I've seen he's gone.
See that, yeah. Are they gone from the stud or just the place off?
He's only 4, this fellow.
Oh. Right.
He's only 4.
You're very picturesque, man. You're very good for the camera. Camera loves you.
Arizona Place is in Pavestini's old stable. Pavestini's been the stable.
Oh, yeah. No, not anymore.
This is Pavestini's old stable.
Yeah.
And that's...
Should have been a ring.
Little people out has been there. Little people out and Pavestini. Those are their old stables.
Yeah.
Apparently Pavestini, little people out, those seem to be...
Look at the others are gone, look.
Look, Pavestini, little people out.
He has a new plaque.
It's Pavestini, little people out. Maybe they're gone, Liam.
That's the guys, I don't know.
Are they here?
No. You see them next.
Huh?
When you see the guys next, ask them, okay?
Hi. Hello, gorgeous. Who's my friend? You moved out to Pavestini's table. Yeah? What happened to my friend Pal? Let's hope the guy's not gone, Liam. Let's hope the guy's not gone. Hello. Hello. How's my friend? Moved out to Pavestini's table. And I hope to God Pavestini's still here. Hope to God he's still here. I've been gutted and he's gone. Hello. How are you? Yes, you've got Pavestini's table. Yes. You wonder why you're down here. What happened to Pavestini? I wonder. Look, I got a word. Let's find out what's going on with Pavestini, Liam. Hello. How are you? Yes, you're down to Pavestini's stable, yes, and I hope to God he's still here. And also his brother, he's a Pimpernel. Yeah, he's a Pimpernel, yeah. I hope to God he's still here. Yeah, I'd be gutted if they're gone. You know, I'd be gutted if they're gone.
Yeah.
Huh? I'd be gutted if they're gone. Hello. How are you? How's my friend? You're my best pal, aren't you? This is the new stallion, girlie. This is the new stallion.
Yeah.
Say hello to him.
I did say hello already.
Say hello to him again.
Hello.
He's so friendly. Very friendly. Very friendly.
Hello.
He's so friendly. He's probably more sociable than should have been a ring. He's much more sociable than should have been a ring. Much more sociable than should have been a ring. Yeah, I think. I love you. I love you. Yes, I do. I love you. You know that? I love you. I do. Yes, I do. You're beautiful. Aren't you? And you're beautiful. And you're beautiful. You're beautiful. My mobile. My mobile. My mobile. Come on, my mobile.
It's a lovely new flat.
Just change the name. They've updated the font. The font box. Hello. 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 You lovely, aren't you? Aren't you lovely, aren't you? The beautiful aren't you? You're very friendly, aren't you? Yeah, you're much more friendly than should have been a ring. Much more sociable than should have been a ring. Yes, you are. You are. You've got a nicer name. You've got a much nicer name too, Arizona Blaze. It's a lovely name.
This is
It's a lovely name.
Saturday the 7th of February 2026. When the Arizona Stuck there, 10 years with Arizona Blaze.
A lovely name.
The Stallion Stables.
Yeah, lovely name. And your name is Mum, Geraldine as well. Yes. You came to join us. This is hello to the new stallion.
Yes, Stallion.
Arizona Blaze.
Hello,
That's all the details here.
Arizona.
This is all it's written at this. This is racist here, John.
There you go.
There
There
he
you
isn't.
go.
Lovely, isn't he? He's so friendly, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's happening? What's going on with Palestine, Lee? Huh?
You should ask him.
Huh? Oh my gosh, I know what's going on with Palestine.
I wonder. And also, Lucy Pimpernel.
These people are there. Well, unless they're staying down at the paddock.
Ask the girls when you get back.
Huh?
Ask the girls in the reception.
Girls wouldn't know.
They might know.
Huh?
They might know.
Hello. 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 You're lovely, aren't you? You're lovely, aren't you? Is he at the door? Is he at the door now?
Hello there.
Hello. Is he at the door there, Darren?
What?
Is he at the door?
Yeah. No, well, it's kind of. You see?
He's close, but he's not at the door.
It's close to no cigar, as the saying goes.
Yeah.
Close to no cigar.
Yeah.
Close to no cigar, that's the saying.
Yeah. Close, but no cigar.
Hello. 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 Hello.
You've got 6 minutes left, Henny.
What?
6 minutes.
6 minutes on the phone, on mobile.
No, it's just before I have to go back into the reception.
Is Mr. Vince at the gate? Darling, you go down to see if Vince was at the door. Go down to number 7, see if Vince was at the gate.
Just walk down, Tanya. Go on.
You keep mine.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
You're all asleep or you're all asleep up there. rest was eating. We got the rest of them asleep. So I got nowhere with the rest of them up there. So I think I'll stick with my friend. I think he's going to want to give me any attention today. Or you don't want to give me attention today. You don't even want to give me any attention today, aren't you? Arizona. You don't want to give me any attention, aren't you? That's right up. That's right up there. Did you turn that phone off? Is it still?
No, still on.
Huh?
Still on.
Still on? How long is that?
5 minutes. Pause it.
The video?
Yeah.
The mobile?
Mobile.
Huh?
Mobile, yeah.
Want to make a new one?
Pause video. So you only got a couple minutes left at some point.
Huh?
There's one point, much point in it. Only got a couple minutes left.
Can I get a photograph of me and him?
Yeah, sure.
On my mobile?
Yeah. Hang on. Ready?
Yeah.
Come on. Don't drink the water. No.
Huh?
Ma'am, hold on, will you? It's still recording, by the way. It's still recording, okay?
Okay.
So turn around.
Face me.
Good. Come on again. One more.
I got a few photographs of me now, so blaze early. Lovely horse, aren't you? A lovely horse, aren't you? You got something in the zone. At the door, darling.
Here you do, here you go.
Having for time.
You've got 2 minutes left. Hello.
Oh. You're a superstar. You're famous. You could be famous on my Facebook. It's lovely. Girlie, don't get in there. I get photograph with you in Arizona Blaze.
No.
You get in there. I get photograph with you there. Leave it to the camera. Girl, get in there beside him. Come a bit closer. Come a bit closer. There.
No. Arizona Blaze, you're good looking. And gorgeous.
Smile. Girl, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Smile.
Smile.
Girlie, look at the camera.
I'm supposed to
Girlie.
look at the towers. I'm supposed to look at the...
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Smile.
Gee.
Okay, pause video. Think better head off now.
You love your horse, aren't you, Arizona? I got loads of them. I got loads of them.
Yeah, you gotta put it in.
I got loads of them, darling.
Yeah, you can put... Did you turn her off, yeah?
No, the video's still on. Ready, say goodbye.
Okay,
Bye.
folks. I'll say goodbye to Simon. Okay, folks. Well, sometime. My superstar. Okay, folks. I have to go. I have to love and leave you. I have to love and leave you. I have to love and leave you. I don't want to go. I don't want to leave you at all. You're gorgeous horse, you. Okay, folks. Neil and I will be back, as I said, tomorrow, because we're going to be celebrating our 9th anniversary since we came to the Irish National Stud. We came here the 8th of February 2017, so 9 years exactly tomorrow. So we're going to be celebrating our big day tomorrow. We're going to be doing a toast later this evening with Geraldine, because she won't be celebrating. She won't be here with us tomorrow at the stud, so she's going to, we'll have a little toast with you tonight. Okay? Okay, see you, Arizona! I'll see you tomorrow! Okay, folks, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.